Sure is a beautiful day to be beachcombing there, friends. Hope everybody's good. Hope you're living your life. Okay, so I found these pieces on the beach for, I thought I'd come down to the beach this morning and find a piece to carve for the giveaway. These are all cedar. Like, look how old, worn out this piece is, you know what I mean? But underneath the exterior, man, there's going to be some beautiful color in there. And I want to give a good carving away, you know what, I want to put some time into it, not just like one of those half-an-hour things. That piece is cool too, because it stands up. So, I don't know, I guess I'll just decide on the way home, eh? Okay, here's the two pieces of wood I got off the beach. I finaled it down to these two pieces to carve for the giveaway. If I do these two, one of these two, this one will be standing. Carve a wood spirit there, or this one will be a wall piece, you know, and I'll carve a wood spirit here, right? But I'm going to spend about a good hour cleaning the no good wood on the outside. See, it's all pitted and little wormholes. I don't know, maybe there's wormholes throughout it. It's kind of damp here. I don't know if I'm going to clean up the back, but so I'll be using this. I'll be using the Fordham flex shaft industrial model. The handpiece will hold the 1/4 inch carving burr. This is a cut saw, 1/4 inch. I'll be cleaning this whole thing up. I won't bother filming that. Alright, let the games begin. Okay, so I tried carving this, cleaning up all this crap. This is all the stuff I got here, right? The outer side of it. But this piece is no good. It's like, I don't know what kind of wood it is. It stinks like donkey crap, so whew, I won't be carving this sucker. Not too many little wormholes in it too, if you can see them. So this will be it. Nice piece of old red cedar. This will be the giveaway piece. And if it doesn't turn out, well, I just got a better one downstairs that I'll give away. Okay, so this will be a total fast forward video, not a tutorial. But you'll see how I do it. Okay, so this is like 18 minutes and 20 seconds worth of carving. I was switching between the Dremel flex shaft with the 1/8 cut saw extreme bit, flame burr, and the Fordham flex shaft. industrial model with the 1/4-inch flame burr cuts all. But I carved pretty deep in there. Didn't have much of a forehead, but that's okay. It doesn't matter because his forehead can be up behind the wood. So it's going okay. Nice piece of cedar though, boy. Ooh, we love that cedar. And you can see in this video, I like the last video, I had the eyes already carved in, but then I got my bigger 1/4-inch bit and carved them all back to make it so the nose sticks the farthest piece off the nose sticks the farthest out off the carving, right? I could even carve these back, make the nose pop out more. It makes more sense, but I can't spend forever on this piece, but it's probably take me a good couple hours to complete it. So all I can suggest to you is like when you're working around the nose, take your time, you know what I mean? Like just slowly pick away at it side by side, each side of the nose, try and keep them even. And the deeper that you carve your eye sockets, the more realistic your carving's going to look too. So I don't know, there's another tip from Carving Fusion, Jordy Johnson. Take your time. Don't do what I do. Don't rush things. The more time you put in a piece, the better it's going to be. Yep. Okay, so this part, I'm going to cut big gouges through the wood, like the beard's blowing through the wind. So I'm using the 1/4-inch bit with my Fordham flex shaft. And you'll see like these cuts are pretty deep, so it looks like like I said, the beard's rolling with the wind. So when you cut your little tiny whiskers in with the rotozip bit, it doesn't look everything doesn't look so flat. I don't know, you'll see what I mean when the carving's done, I guess. If I show you what it looks like when it's done, if it turns out. Yeah, just take your time. Take your time. Okay, so all the big carving stuff's out of the way now. Those is a little bit raised higher. The deeper you make your carving, the deeper, like inside here, and the forehead back, and bring the nose out. Like deeper, I mean like carving this stuff all the way back that way, make your nose stick out more. The better your carving is going to look, in my opinion. So we got all this beard, kind of big, like rolly bumps in there for the wind, kind of blowing the beard. Now for the tedious part. Now we got to take this little sucker. It's a roto zip bit. Okay, 1/8. You can buy it at Home Depot or whatever your big department stores. It's for tile cutting. But now I got to cut every single little whisker in, overlapping all the way up here, down, around, following these big lines, right, coming up over them. You know what I mean? Bringing it over, other way, all the way around. His beard's going to here and just kind of swirl all around. So that's going to probably take me about 2,000 hours to do, but I'll take a little video of me doing it, but that's about it. This sucker just rips, man. For this is what I use to carve through bone, even carves through like whale teeth, whatever. It's a mint little bit. Okay, we'll talk to you in 4 billion hours. The more little hairs you put in your carving, it sure makes it look a lot better. Like, you take your time. This part takes a while. It probably took me, I'd say, if I carved this steady, it would take me about an hour and a half to carve all these whiskers in. But I won't bore you guys with that, so I'll carve them all in, and then I'll show you how I quickly sand the piece. I don't know if I think I'll lightly burn it, and then probably just oil it. I don't know, I think so. Yeah, what do you think? Or should I stain it? If you stain it, you don't really see the cedar color. I don't know. I'll stop talking. Nice big pile of sawdust there. Okay, so here it is, after all the whiskers are basically carved in and slightly sanded. I'm into this for about 3 hours now. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lightly hit it with the torch, give it another quick sanding, like really lightly quick, hit it with a torch, give it another quick sanding, oil it, put a signature back there somewhere, and call her done. And this will be going to some lucky winner. Okay guys, there he is. He's done. Lightly burnt, lightly sanded. I'm not going to put any oil on it. I'll leave that to the winner. Look how it looked before. Just an old rotten piece of wood to this. You know what I mean? So keep your eyes open for that wood. So yeah, you can put the winner can figure out what they want to do with it. But so to win this guy, you're gonna have to go to my Instagram page. You're gonna have to follow my page and like this picture. I'll put this guy up with the number 5,000 on it. So and then that will be the I'll take all the people that have liked it, put their names in a hat, and I'll draw a lucky winner. So that's enough talking for me, and thanks guys, and I have a lot of fun doing this. Takes a lot of work, but I don't know, I just love carving, and it's cool. I can help the beginner carvers out like myself too, right? So right on. Nice big pile of sawdust there. Okay, so here it is after all the whiskers are basically carved in and slightly sanded. I'm into this for about 3 hours now. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lightly hit it with the torch, give it another quick sanding, like really lightly quick hit it with a torch, give it another quick sanding, oil it, put a signature back there somewhere, and call her done. And this will be going to some lucky winner. Okay guys, there he is. He's done. Lightly burnt, lightly sanded. I'm not going to put any oil on it. I'll leave that to the winner. Look how it looked before. Just an old rotten piece of wood to this. You know what I mean? So keep your eyes open for that wood. So yeah, you can put the winner can figure out what they want to do with it. But so to win this guy, you're gonna have to go to my Instagram page. You're gonna have to follow my page and like this picture. I'll put this guy up with the number 5,000 on it. So and then that will be the I'll take all the people that have liked it, put their names in a hat, and I'll draw a lucky winner. So that's enough talking for me, and thanks guys, and I have a lot of fun doing this. Takes a lot of work, but I don't know, I just love carving, and it's cool. I can help the beginner carvers out like myself too, right? So right on. Okay, once again, you have to win this giveaway, you have to like my Instagram page, carving_fusion. You have to follow me. You have to like the picture that says giveaway with this wood spirit on it. It will say giveaway 5,000. It will say giveaway 5,000 subs. So that's all you gotta do, and you gotta like my YouTube channel too. So I'll be drawing the winner out of a hat, and I'll double check to make sure the winner is following my YouTube channel and my Instagram channel, and if they're not following both, I'll draw a new winner. So when the contest is over, it'll be up for a few weeks. When the contest is over, if you want to unfollow me. I don't care. If you want to win it, follow me. I don't care. I just don't care.